Kakain muna kami. We're going back to the cafe again. Or how about here? How about we here pa? What's the menu here? Is it good? Now I prefer the other side. Let's go back there. So yeah.
What do you say?
Feeling ko pag doon kami kumain, galing sa Purinan na yung kakainin. I think we can walk this side because it's the safest way. Dito kami magdaan. Natapos din ang kaanuhan. Look at my outfit, guys. This is my outfit. My bag is from my sister. This bag is originally from my brother-in-law, a Japanese guy. His name is Georgie. So, yan. Baby, careful there ha. Very steep. Ayan. Kanina kasi doon kami dumaan sa road. Pwede naman pala din eh. Tingnan nyo, mas safe. Yun nga lang, para kami nasa bundok. Ayan. Ayun na sila. Ang ganda oh. It's nice here, Papa oh. Look at those view. Ang ganda. Ayun.
Sorry, say wait. Wait, you two. Hey, wait, you two. Can you two wait, please? Sorry, sir, stop. Wait, please, because there's cars. Go around, we can all hide. Go that way, we all hide here. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, that's it. We're not going any further. Stop. Now come back to you, she see you. Come back. Move backwards. Come backwards a little bit. See, it's giving it away.
You are plants. Stay there. You are plant like plants. But I need that.
Shh, they can hear you. Go back a little bit further.
Give me back my hat! Take it on my hat!
See, it's war. Let's turn around.
No, that's like standing animals standing up. Let's go and get something to eat muna ate. Dun kay daddy dali. Choose whatever you want. Guys, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda. Ayun. Thank you. So, doon kami kakain by the background by the ship. Thank you.
When that goes off, we will come to see you and we'll bring it over to you.
Okay, brilliant.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Andun yung dalawa, titingnan daw nila yung ship. Ganda dito guys. Look at those things. Oh yes, you can eat here, Papa. Oh, look at this. Here, Papa. Oh, you can't see. You see? You better go here. You can see here. Oh, goodness. Okay, let me carry you. Ganda guys. Oh, diba? Ay, oh, ang daming ship. Nakatuwa. Baby.
What?
You're right. food is coming. My baby. Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you so much. Alright, what else, Bella?
This is not mine.
Drink?
How are they?
Alright, okay. Say hi, ate.
This.
Bumblebee is fine for the love thing. Let's see what's in here. Inside a restaurant already. Pero doon kami kumain doon sa Lapis Green. Mapil naman namin yung countryside vibes. So, maganda rin dito kasi mainit. This is, look at this table pa. This is nice. Really nice table though. Yeah. Ate, sit down. Show you. Okay. Okay, let's go na. So, ang ganda dito. Let's go na. Ate, let's go. Let's go. We go places. So, ayun guys. So, tapos na kami doon kumain. So, we're gonna drive in places daw. Punta kami sa, sa lumang simbahan. Okay. Yeah, tayo. Now naman, saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going this time?
Mausoleum.
Mausoleum naman daw. Mainit kasi ngayon. Ang aking mga bata. You guys tired or not tired?
We made it to the mausoleum. Sia was ahead of everyone. She is a champion. The champion of champions. The people's winner. We're all cheering for her. She is light years ahead.
I can run.
Ayan guys, nauna-una na yung tatlo guys. So, sa mga panahon yan ay naglalakad pa ako as in I'm so behind. So, nauna-una na sila dyan. So, ito guys is libingan ng mga, I don't know kung sino mga tao, mga nandito. At ayan, tingnan nyo, pinapakita sa inyo ni Ryan yung mga I don't know, ano bang tawag dyan sa atin. Nilalagay, lapida. Ayun. So, ayan, Diyos ko, tingnan nyo sila, oh. Ang iingay nila dyan that time. So, yung mga pinapakita dito sa inyo ni Ran ay yan, may mga hindi naman libing. I think siguro ashes na nilagay dyan. O, mismong buto, I don't know. We don't know. So, ayan. Ayan, isa pa yan. Lapida din yan, guys. We don't know kung sino mga taong nandyan. So, ayan. Pinapakita ni Papang. Isa-isa talaga niyang pinuntahan. Pag dito, dinalaw yung mga tao na yan. So, and I don't know how long they put them there o kung anong ilang taon na sila dyan nakalibing, whatever. Musilayo pala to. Akala ko naman simbahan. So, ayan. Ang laki ng musilayo na yan. Imagine nyo yan. Lahat sila dyan ay mga nakahimlay o baka ashes lang or buto yung nilagay nila dyan. And then, kada single corner na yan ay may mga nakalagay dyang ashes. Basta yung may mga lapida. So, ito sila sa Sia. Tingnan nyo. Takbuhan sila dyan. Ang ingay nila. Nakita nyo nung sa unang pagpasok pa lang nila si Zoe. Ayun, tingnan nyo sila. Ayun, sumampa pa talaga doon sa nicho. Ayan, si Zoe andun sa taas ng nicho. Ay, sus ko, Mio, parang kilala naman nila yung mga nakalibing diyan. Tapos, merong ilan-ilang taong pumunta kasi masarap naman kasi talaga maglakad-lakad dito sa area na to. That time, maganda pa yung weather. Tapos, ayan, tingnan nyo si ate, oh. Hala. Oh, ayan. Oh, ayan na ako, guys. So, lalakad pa lang ako ang bagal ko maglakad. Kasi ninanamnam ko yung lakad ko. Ini-enjoy ko yung weather. Ini-enjoy ko yung sariwang hangin. Ang ganda-ganda. Tingnan nyo, oh. Super green, diba? Tas ako yan, oh. Tingnan nyo naman ako dyan. Oh, lakad pa more. Anong bagal ko maglakad. Kasi guys, pataas yan, pataas. So, ayan. Tapos nagbibideo kasi ako dyan that time. Itanong nyo naman dun sa aking short video. Dun sa aking reels. So, ayan. Ito pala yung lumang simbahan behind that, big mausoleo. So, diyan din guys, may mga nakalibing. Kung nakikita nyo, yun, yung ayan talaga cemetery yan. Tabi ng mga simbahan. Dito kasi guys pala sa UK, madalas yung mga simbahan ay may mga nakalibing na tao. Ayan. Cemetery yan guys. Yung nakaburied talaga sila. Yung iba kasi talaga dito ay lang. Cremate. So, ayan. Maganda guys dito. Ang hangin sa tuktok. Sarap ng hangin. Oh my goodness. Kapagod ah. Pagod yung aming lap. Nasa tuktok kami ng bundok. Sabi ko dalhin kami sa place na hindi pa namin nakapuntahan. Kasi alam niyo naman, lagi kami nang dinadala ni Papang sa zoo. Well, anyway, the kids love the zoo. But then I said to him, this time, can you take me to the place I never been before? Ay, Diyos ko, Mio, nagulat na lang ako. Saan na pala kami dadalhin? Like dito.
Okay.